Today in history, April 24, 2013-1129 people die in Bangladesh in the worst building collapse disaster in modern history. The building was used by clothing factories producing garments for Western markets, highlighting the disastrous working conditions in the industry. 2005 Joseph Ratzinger is inaugurated as Pope Benedict XVI. The German was considered a particularly conservative pope, quite unlike his successor, Pope Francis. 1990 The Hubble Space Telescope is launched into Earth orbit. Unhindered by the impurities and distortions of Earth's atmosphere, the 2.4-meter (7.9 feet) aperture telescope has delivered some of the most spectacular images of the far reaches of the universe. 1957 The Suez Canal reopens after the Suez Crisis. The conflict between Egypt on the one hand and France, the United Kingdom and Israel on the other, erupted in October 1956 when Egypt announced that the canal will be nationalized. 1915 The Ottoman Empire begins its systematic extermination of Armenians. An estimated 1 million people were killed in the Armenian massacres during and after World War I. The event is considered one of the first genocides in modern history. ' 1982 Kelly Clarkson, American singer-songwriter, producer, actress. 1973 Sachin Tendulkar, Indian cricketer. 1942 Barbra Streisand, American singer-songwriter, actress, producer. 1941 Richard Holbrooke, American journalist, banker, diplomat, 22nd United States Ambassador to the United Nations. 1897 Benjamin Lee Hoff, American linguist. 2011 Satya Sai Baba, Indian guru, philosopher. 1980 Alejo Carpentier, Swiss, Cuban author. 1960 Max von Laue, German physicist, Nobel Prize laureate. 1942 Lucy Maud Montgomery, Canadian author. 1731 Daniel Defoe, English journalist, spy.